Okay, for tonight's dinner, it's seared chicken and autumn vegetables with apple cider and mustard, all like a juice. Anyway, I can't even say it. Two boneless skin-on chicken thighs, which I have not gotten out yet. They're still in the fridge, and I will pat them dry. One purple top turnip, 1 pound of cone cabbage, one red onion, 1 bunch of thyme, 3 tablespoons of chicken demi-glaze, 2 tablespoons of butter, 1 ounce of dried Turkish figs, 1 tablespoon of whole grain Dijon mustard, 1/4 a cup of apple cider. This will make 2 servings at 685 calories per serving. Okay, I'm going to prepare my ingredients. What I'm going to do is wash and dry the fresh produce, peel and medium dice the turnip, peel and medium dice the onion, remove and discard the thick outer layers of the cabbage, halve, core, and medium dice. Pick the thyme leaves off the stems, discarding the stems, and small dice the figs. Okay, I've diced my figs, diced my turnips. Okay, I have diced my red onions. Okay, I've destemmed the leaves of the thyme. Okay, here's my medium diced cabbage. Okay, I patted dry my chicken pieces with a paper towel and salt and peppered both sides. And then I have my heat on medium-high, a couple tablespoons of olive oil, and I'm going to cook up my chicken. Okay, I'm going to add my chicken. Cook the 6 to 8 minutes on the first side until the chicken is brown and crispy, and then cook 2 or 3 minutes on the other side. And I'm going to leave whatever little bits of brown spot are left from the chicken in the pan. I'm leaving it in there to enhance the flavor of the next step. So I'm going to let this cook a little while. I'll get back to you. Okay, I likely covered it with some foil because the grease is just like popping all over from the oil. So, just to keep it from getting too messy, because I'm going to clean this whole area up. So to keep it from getting worse, I just lightly covered it with some foil. Okay, I have the smoky tips going off for a second, and my little camper here. Anyway, I'm going to take the foil off. And I'm going to wrap the chicken up and put it on the plate there and wrap the chicken up in that. Let that calm down a minute. Wrap this up and put it out of the way. Okay, we want to leave the font in the pan. We're going to add a little bit of olive oil. And then we're going to cook the turnips. And go until like a light golden brown. Okay. We're going to do these for 4 to 6 minutes. And I'm going to add some salt and pepper. It's getting there. Just a couple more minutes. I do keep occasionally stirring it. I always set my spoon right here. Yeah, ugh, look at all that grease. What a mess it looks like. Not too bad. I'll clean it up later. Anyway. Okay, but yeah, I do think to keep things tight, like in a small kitchen, because I'll be going down to an even smaller kitchen soon. So I need to get smaller bowls for my ingredients. But anyway, my timer just went off, so I'm going to add the red onion. A couple of those pieces. And all but a little bit of the thyme. Okay. Stir that up a little bit. And then I'm going to add, after the onion softens a bit, I'm going to add the cabbage. So I just set it up. Okay, this recipe calls for a third cup of water to be put in at the same time as the third cup of apple cider. So I just added it up to bringing the apple cider up to 2/3 cup. Things I do, like, these are throwaways, so I can just use them, throw them away, my little cups here. And this fork that I use to flip the chicken, I use to scrape these out of here, so I'm using up like less silverware. I do use a lot of bowls and stuff to show you the ingredients, which normally I have a lot of times just have it like piled up on my cutting board and transfer it over to the pan. So doing the videos, I use more dishes than I normally would, where I guess I probably should just cut it up on the board because but in order for you to see the ingredients better, but that's how I usually do it, is I would just normally leave it on the board, and that way I'm using a lot less dishes too. So okay, it's cooked up pretty nice. I have my cabbage here, and I'm going to start adding it. And I'm going to want to cook this down till it's like really wilted. Just keep slowly adding more cabbage in there. Anyway, I'm going to keep adding cabbage, and I'll get back with you. Okay, my stuff has really started wilting, and so now I'm going to add mustard. Scrape that out in a minute. The demi-glaze. The apple cider. Alright, I'm going to scrape the rest of some of this out and I'll be back. Okay, I gave that a good stir, and now I'm going to add my chicken. Just 2 little pieces of chicken. And the juice left on my foil. Okay, I'm going to also season this all with salt and pepper. Okay, I'm going to cook this for about 5 minutes, stirring it up a little bit here and there, and that's it. It's almost done. Keep it stirred a little bit for about 5 minutes. Anyway, this is about all the dishes I used, along with a frying pan and my 2 plates and 2 forks. Other than that, that's a lot for dishes. It's not really that big a deal. Nothing's like gross, disgusting, dirty, so it'll be pretty easy cleanup. Okay, now I'm going to add the butter and stir that around, let it melt 2 or 3 minutes. And then pretty much this plate will be finished and ready to plate. Okay, I'm now ready to plate my food. Which I'm just going to put half the cabbage on the plate. And I'll show you the finished product. Okay, almost done. I'm going to take the little bit of time I have left and just sprinkle it. And there it is.